I will put the link in the description box if I have any more of these old tube style IOD ones left. This is just a quick video to show you how easy it is to take a piece of wood that is already pre-painted with just a latex paint. It's ready to go. I'm cutting on the line so I can line it up with the board and putting this transfer on, and I have multiple pieces left of this transfer to use on other things. So just enjoy this tutorial with not really a lot of instruction. It's different than my normal weekly ones. I have been behind. Looks pretty good as is, but I'm going to take my DIY Old and Gray. It is a patina that will seal our chalk paint, which this isn't a chalk paint, and that part doesn't need sealed, but you do need to seal the transfers. I'm trying to get the dark and decrepit one open, which is a walnut color, but I don't know. I tested it out. I thought, nah, I want to go with the gray tone. So I just went ahead and wiped that off with a baby wipe, and I just apply this Old and Gray, and it looks really good. At the very end, I'm going to show you what the dark and decrepit stain looked like. If you're watching this hot off the press and wondering if I still have this transfer, which I think I do, it's going to be a few hours before I get the link in, so keep checking back. Thanks. Here is the dark and decrepit up closer. I love that look too, and it just takes 24 hours to seal. It will look a little different on a already sealed paint like the latex than it would on raw wood or the clay paint.